you can generate those 3 pictures and turn them into those 3 short animations in less than 3 minutes. Talking to you right now is my avatar. AI is getting so good that you can barely tell whether it's a real person talking to you or not. Back to normal me. If like me, you need to produce videos to grow your social accounts, but you are a one-person team without much time on your hands, but still need to record to find clients, then this video is for you. With AI, you can now automate 90% of your video creation. The only thing that cannot yet be automated is editing, but you can outsource that for about $150 per video. So let's look at the AI tools that you're gonna need to create videos really fast without you having to sit in front of a camera for hours to end up with a couple of minutes worth of good footage. We'll go from getting AI to help you with your scripting to what AI software to use for your voiceover, and also how to generate your AI avatar, as well as how to create animations using AI. By the way, none of these tools are sponsoring this video, nor do I have affiliate links. I just use them because they save a lot of time. Think about it this way. Instead of hiring people and having to pay salaries, you can now spend a few $100s a month on subscriptions and get AI to help you run your small business. Let's dive in. Scripting. Use any large language model AI chatbot like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity to help you with that. They'll help you research your topic and avoid writer's block. They could even write the full script for you in your own voice if you train them to do it. To do so, just upload a couple of writings you've done before and ask the AI to write in your voice so that it sounds natural to your audience instead of sounding like an AI. If you want to know the best way to talk to an AI chatbot through prompting, check out this video. I took a 4 hours Google AI Essential for beginners and turned it into this 10-minute video by cutting out all the fluff. You can find it on my channel or through the link up here. Once you have your script, use 11lab to generate your voiceover. It's very simple. All you have to do is copy-paste your script or upload it to 11labs. Then you can either use one of the voices that's already on the platform, or you could get 11labs to create your own voice model. The generic voices are usually used by multiple social accounts, so if you want to build your brand, you're better off using your own voice. For that, you'll need a paid subscription, the one with the professional voice cloning, which is the creator tier. It's better than the starter tier as you can train it to sound more like you. There's obviously instructions on the platform on how to do it. But in a nutshell, you upload a 30 minutes recording of yourself speaking, and 11labs will use that to train a model with your voice. Here's a pro tip. Ask ChatGPT what are the 100 most spoken words on, let's say, YouTube or in the English language. You'll get a list from ChatGPT, read through the list and record yourself reading it, then upload your recording to 11labs. Your AI model will now sound even more like you. In fact, most people might not even know that it's not you speaking once you've trained and used an 11lab AI model. And the awesome thing, you've gone through the effort of recording your voice once. Now any voiceover you want to do going forward is only going to take you 1 to 2 minutes of uploading your script to 11labs, selecting your own voice and pressing generate. You no longer have to sit down and record yourself for hours. Voiceover done? Use HeyGen to get your AI avatar to talk through the script. With HeyGen, again, you can either use one of their existing avatar or you can create your own. You get the right subscription and you upload a certain minutes of footage of you, and HeyGen will automatically create an avatar that looks exactly like you. After it's done so, you can now generate clips of you talking through scripts. You can either type in the script or get the voiceover done through 11labs, which will give you better sound results, and then upload it to HeyGen and select your avatar. Then you click generate and HeyGen will generate a video of you speaking through the script that you've uploaded. Generating your clip will take anything between 5 to 15 minutes, but you don't have to wait there. Once it's done, HeyGen will send you a notification. Now that you have your talking head from HeyGen, you can just download it and open it up in your video editing software of choice and start adding B-roll and music to your video. Before, it might have taken you 1 hour of sitting in front of a camera to record a video, which then gets cut down into a 5-minute clip after removing all the ums and buts and maybes. Now you can create a whole video in 5 minutes. To add cool animations as B-roll, you can use an image generator like Leonardo.AI. Then if you want to animate it, use Runway. Runway will create short clips for you using the images you upload. This example was made in Runway. Pro tip: Runway has a specific way in which you need to write the prompts, but you don't even have to learn it. Get the URL where the Runway team explains how to write prompts, upload it in ChatGPT, upload the picture that you've generated from Leonardo.AI into ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT to write the Runway prompt for you in the way you want the image to move using plain English. ChatGPT gives you the prompt, then you can just upload the image to Runway and upload the prompt that you got given by ChatGPT. Okay, you now have all the assets you need to put your video together. If you're not an editor, you can practice and become a better editor because the craft seems complex enough that it's unlikely that it will be completely automated by AI anytime soon. If you really don't want to edit, then you can just hire an editor on sites like Upwork or Fiverr for about $150 per video or more, depending on how fancy you want your edits to be. So have you been working with AI? Let us know in the comments how you're finding it. Or if you create a cool image or some cool prompts, let us know in the comment how you did it. If you're a creator or small business owner, join us at Online Builders. It's a community where we help each other make money online by sharing tips and tricks to help accelerate each other's journey. Find the link in the video's description. If you like this video, you're going to love this next one selected just for you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.